and get this focus. There's 3 awesome dogs. Look at this wiggle. Sasha, Sasha, what are you doing, Sasha? Look at her. She is a sweetheart. Hi, Sasha. Sasha, are you eating? Eat your supper, Sasha. This, oh, I love her. Love them all. This sweetheart. We went outside. She just wanted to sit in my lap. She looks more like she could almost be a large pug cross. She's medium size. She's probably 35 pounds maybe. And she just wants to be in your lap and by your side. Like, she is the sweetest. I'm gonna snatch her up in a second. She's a doll. And this guy rocks too. Hi, Crater. What is that? What is that? Hi. He is very outgoing and sweet and happy. Yeah, tell him. Handsome boy. Stunning. Crater and sister. And Sasha. These are 3 phenomenal dogs. All 3 great catch here. Come check them out. Take them for a walk. Hi, Sasha. Hi, Sasha. Where's your butt wiggle? Can they see it? Aren't you happy? Little? Good girl, Sasha. Okay, come see them.